Watch, Rain releases intense MV teaser for upcoming title track Gang. Rain is gearing up for his December comeback and has released an intense MV teaser for his title track Gang. The singer is set to return on December 1st at 6 p.m. KST with a new mini-album My Life, and he has already shared his pre-released track Let's Break Up Today with Urban Sakapa's Joe Hyena. Soompi. Display. News. English. 300 by 250. Mobile. English. 300 by 250. ATF. While Let's Break Up Today was traditional ballad, Gang is set to be a powerful dance track that will give Rain another opportunity to showcase his stellar dancing skills and stage presence. Check out the teaser below and let us know if you're excited for Rain's return. Rain will also be holding a special comeback show on KBS on December 3rd.